Welcome to ProdHut YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to explore best toilet seat. Toilet seats have become a necessity for most households. The usage of the Western model toilets has been increasing day by day, and hence, most people prefer to have a toilet seat for them to provide comfort and convenience. Most people think that there is nothing to learn about toilet seats as they are essential amenity that doesn't require proper research. But the truth is that if you wish to have a comfortable experience, then having a suitable toilet seat is essential. Normal people do not only use Western toilets, they are also used by sick persons, old people, and kids for comfort. So the seat should be suitable and perfect for such situations. There are a variety of toilet seat models present in the country, but you cannot go and select a model just like that. Before purchasing, you need to consider certain features. Brand. The toilet seats are simple structures made up of plastic. Most people consider buying some models from the market. But the truth is that the quality of the seat cover varies with the brand and price. Choosing a branded product will ensure that the quality of the plastic used in the product will be perfect and of high quality. So, if you are looking for suitable toilet seats, then the best option available is some of the designs from certain branded products. Quality. When it comes to toilet seats, quality is an essential feature. Nearly 99% of the toilet seats are made up of plastic. But when it comes to plastic, there are variety of models present in the market. So, you cannot just go and select any plastic seat because sometimes they might be of low quality and will not react well to hot water or specific cleaning solutions. So, when you are making a purchase, make sure that the plastic's quality is of higher grade and they can withstand all types of temperatures and cleaning solutions. The cleaning solutions usually used for the toilets are of high quality and will be more powerful. So, the plastic you choose should be able to withstand that. Using a plastic toilet seat is suitable for areas with normal temperatures and hot climates. When you choose a toilet seat for an area with a high winter season, the best option is available in the wooden toilet seats as they provide more warmth and appearance. The wooden toilet seats can last forever and even after continuous cleaning, they will not be scratched or damaged. There are also toilet seats made up of high quality brass, stainless steel, ceramic, and vinyl. These these seats are chosen according to the requirement of the people. Models. Before choosing a toilet seat, you must select models. Even though there are various toilet designs and structures in the market, the toilet seat size is always kept the same to make it comfortable for manufacturing standard size toilet seats. While the seats are kept normal with a standard size, the shape of the seat can be chosen based upon your toilet shape and structure. There usually are two different models available in the market. Elongated oval shaped model. When it comes to designs, there are certain designs commonly available. One of them is the extended oval shaped model that is more suitable for elongated oval toilets. They are comfortable and offer more space in the middle. They are not ideal for children, but others can use them. The cost of this product is higher than the other models. The round shaped model is commonly used for older people as they provide more support and comfort. This model's price is considerably less and they are commonly used as they occupy less space comparatively. Both of these models are effective. They are both suitable for youngsters and elders. But for kids, both these seats will be too much as their hip size will much smaller. There are separate temporary fixing toilet seats present in the market that can be clipped to this design. This feature will allow you to potty train your kids at an early age. Comfort. This feature is the most crucial concept in the toilet seat category. Most of the people who are using toilet seats use it for comfort and convenience. When it comes to comfort, there are many factors involved. Understanding them would be a better option for the future. Width. When you purchase a toilet seat, you should understand that they should have proper width on the seats. With the seats width is small, they will not be comfortable sitting and sometimes will create pressure on the inner thigh areas, making it challenging to sit down. So, having a toilet seat with a side area will be comfortable. Also, when you have an increased width sized toilet seat, you will have more space for support, which is also suitable for elderly people. This feature prevents them from slipping or having an imbalance. Softness. Sometimes people prefer using seats with unique cushions and other comforts to make it more comfortable. These seats are not commonly available in the market, but they are specifically made to create good comfort for the elders and people with back pain. Ergonomic design. The term ergonomic design is commonly used in most products. It makes making designs that are comfortable and easier for the user. When you buy a toilet seat, make sure that they are ergonomically designed to make them more comfortable and with quality. Fixation. Most of the toilet seat designs come with a rubber bush on the bottom. This particular rubber bush will allow this toilet seat to be fixed on the toilet surface without moving here and there. Technically, it reduces the friction and provides proper support. Now you need not worry about having a wiggly surface while sitting down. Noise. If you are trying to purchase a high quality toilet seat, it mustn't cause external ears. Sometimes there will be unwanted noise when tried to close the lid since they are loosely fitted without any grip. This feature might be a simple concept that people with kids will understand why it is essential since they will create an irritating noise every time they close the lid. So the best option is to purchase the model that has a noise cancelling lid. These lids are robust and they move slowly to create a proper environment. When if Even if the kids try to shut down the toilet lid with force, you can be assured that they will not close forcefully and move at a lower rate. Durability. The concept of durability is more critical when compared to others. Some of the toilets are made up of low quality plastic which will not last for more than a year or two. Sometimes, when you are using a high quality plastic that is commonly found in some of the famous brands, they will last forever without affecting the quality of the product. The product you purchase should be of high quality and have the ability to withstand the pressure forever. The pressure is an essential concept because sometimes people of varying rates will be sitting on the toilet seat. So the durability should be perfect for all these people without getting damaged in the process. Appearance. If you are one of the people who think that only comfort matters and design don't, then this section will not be useful for you. But there is a particular group of people who think that using a toilet seat with comfort and pleasing design is essential to add up to the room's record. Most of the common colors available in the market are usually white and cream. Sometimes, if you want to have a separate look for your bathroom, you can go for other bright colors available in the abundance in the market. Cleaning facility. Most of the toilet seats are cleaned regularly to maintain hygiene since it is essential. The toilet seats are usually cleaned using acids and other powerful liquids which has the strong ability to destroy germs and stains. So technically, the toilet seat you choose should have the ability to withstand such liquids without getting disintegrated or scratched. Most of the plastic sheets will be scratched after a few usage times because of the brush that is used continuously. So, if you are going to expose the toilet seat to constant cleaning, then it is always a better option to use steel based toilet seats that are more strong and can withstand all the pressures. Cost. If you are one of the people who considered comfort, then there are various models in the market. Sometimes people also take the concept of cost into account so that they will feel at ease. The good news is that there are various toilet models available in the market for a low price range. But specific models will go up in the price range because of the designs and features. If you are looking for a simple model with proper comfort, then the low budget models will be suitable. In the bathroom, you are looking for models with features like noise cancellation technology, seat warming technique, and those that are ergonomically designed. These models are more comfortable and suitable for high quality bathrooms that use decor as a major subject. All the features mentioned earlier are essential by purchasing a toilet seat. Along with these features, you have to take care that the toilet seat can be installed easily. You do not need to hire a separate person to install the toilet seat, which is unwanted in most cases. These toilet seats are available for sale in most sanitary ware showrooms and can be purchased from online websites like Amazon. If you are confused, you can choose the models given below or go for a design similar to the models given below. Caller 13946 IN20 Brive oval shaped quite closed toilet. Seat in white. When it comes to bathroom and toilet accessories, only few people When it comes to bathroom and toilet accessories, only few companies in the market have gained a huge name. Kohler is one such name in the market that has gained more popularity because of its high quality products. The company is well known for manufacturing a wide range of bathroom and toilet accessories, including toilet seats, wash basin, and shower heads. They have a particular unit of research and manufacture team for taking a deeper look into the quality of the products and creating a new designs suitable for constant usage. One such product they have been manufacturing is the AAI Royal Round Soft Close Plastic Hydraulic Seat Cover with noise proof feature. Standard size white. Most people nowadays prefer using a toilet seat for a good experience and comfort. But sometimes they tend to break into pieces that need to be replaced. So the best option available in the market is the above mentioned that can be used on all oval shaped toilets within a specific size. This particular product is available in a beautiful white color and suitable for most of the placements. They have a wide width that allows you to sit comfortably while using them. This particular seat comes with various features and learning them will allow you to make a wise choice. Quality. This particular toilet seat comes with a cover and lid. They can be easily placed on the toilet and fitted perfectly using the special screws present at the corner. You do not need a plumber for seeking these items, and the entire concept can be done by yourself. It also has it also has special pads at the bottom to prevent them from getting attached to the toilet completely. They are made up of high quality nano silver ions to protect the surface from getting attracted by the bacteria. They act as a repellent for germs and bacteria. The lid on the toilet seat can close slowly without producing any noise, and they also have unique bumpers on the base for preventing fractional noises from occurring. This particular material comes with a good warranty and is made up of high quality plastic. They are easy to clean and all types of liquids can be used for cleaning them. You can purchase them from the shop or through an online website like Amazon. Now you need not worry about closing your toilet seat every time you leave. This particular lid will close automatically and provide constant protection against the germs and bacteria for a long time. Perrier plastic round seat cover for toilets, standard size, white. Perrier company is well known among the people because of its high quality products and unique designs. Most people nowadays have a comfortable toilet seat for sitting relaxed while performing their activities. This company has also been manufacturing a wide range of toilets, wash basins, pipes, faucets, and other accessories related to bathrooms and toilets. So, most people purchasing from this particular brand expect high quality, which has been satisfied utterly by this brand. They have their technical team responsible for most of the designs that have attracted a huge crowd in the market. Comfort and size are the most important features when it comes to the concept of the toilet seat. They should be comfortable to sit down and should not cause any type of pressure on the legs. Understanding these features, Perrier has introduced a new model called Perrier Plastic Round Seat Cover for toilet standard size white. This particular toilet seat is made up of a beautiful round design that provides proper comfort to you while sitting. They have a comfortable width and it is comparatively easy. Quality. This particular toilet seat comes with a beautiful red that can be used for closing them when not required. The fittings are easy to manage and they also have four round bushes on the bottom to provide proper comfort and prevent them from fixing into the toilet. They are made up of high quality plastic and come in a standard size to be used in most of the normal sized toilets. Design is rounded in shape and they are available in a beautiful white color. One of the main things you have to look for while purchasing a toilet seat is the connection between the lid and the seat because sometimes they tend to get damaged and detached over constant usage. The top is not lightly fixed and hence when closed there will be noise, so be careful while using them. This toilet seat is not suitable for children, but the children's special toilet seat can be fixed easily on them and can be removed whenever required. This type of solid seat is more suitable for public areas since they can withstand a lot of pressure and constant usage. This particular design is created to make sure that they do not break off after continuous usage. They are round and comfortable and can be used for a long time. This product can be easily purchased from an online website like Amazon and it can also be purchased from the shops in your area. They come with a good warranty and can be used for a long time without any damage. AAI Royal Round Soft Close Plastic Hydraulic Seat Cover with Noise Proof Feature. Standard size white. The AAI company has gained a massive name in the market regarding bathroom accessories and its products. The company has been producing a wide range of products including faucets, toilet seats and covers, flush systems and various other designs related to them. Most of the products are designed in such a way to provide proper comfort for the users. They also can last forever without affecting the quality of the product. Some of their most common products include the fashion system and seat covers. People purchasing the seat covers look for comfort more than the quality and every other feature. Also, be easily fittable so that they will not have the problem of calling a plumber for fitting the toilet seat cover. Understanding this particular feature, the company has released a new product called the AAI Royal Round Soft Close Plastic Hydraulic Seat Cover with noise proof feature, standard size, white. This toilet seat cover comprises high quality plastic and specially designed to provide comfort for people of all age groups, including older people. This particular design is available in a beautiful oval shape and affordable for almost all the standard size toilets. They come along with a special rubber bush on both the toilet seat and the cover to avoid friction and scratches. So, technically, they do not produce any noise and hence most people prefer them. This particular hydraulic seat cover is designed to withstand all types of temperatures and not get affected by them. Quality. The toilet seat is made up of high quality plastic that was created by using hydraulic technology. These plastics are more robust than standard plastic and can withstand all types of pressure. The seat lid is fitted perfectly with the seat cover and hence when closed they do not move faster. This technology will reduce the speed of the seat cover closing rate and will also increase the quality. An average person can easily fit them without the requirement for any other plumber. They provide a warm feeling and hence most people prefer this particular model over any other brand. They are available in a beautiful white color and come along with the knowledge proof feature. This particular product can be purchased from the local stores and they are also available on online websites like Amazon. You can easily remove the previous cover and replace them with this particular design by yourself. All you need is a proper set of knowledge. They can be used continuously for enjoying an adequate feeling while sitting on the toilet. The rubber bushes prevent them from slipping away, and hence you need not worry about falling off, especially with the elders. These seats are not suitable for children, but they provide an excellent area to fit the children's seat on them with support.
Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel Prod Hut.